Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 5. That is, the Unit 5 is time varying fields. Time varying fields here. What are these time varying fields? Means fields. Basically, we have two types of fields. Those are electric field. Another one is magnetic field. In our electrical engineering or field theory, we have two types of fields. Those are electric field and magnetic field. Again, the electric fields are two types: static electric field and time varying electric field. Time varying electric field. This static electric field is also called as a time invariant electric field. Time invariant electric field. Again, this magnetic field is two types. First one is static magnetic field or time invariant magnetic field. Another one of magnetic field is time variant magnetic field here. Time variant magnetic field. That means basically here electric fields and magnetic fields are classified based on the time function. That means here the electric fields are two types. Those are static electric fields, that is time invariant electric fields, or time independent electric fields. Another one is time varying electric fields or time dependent electric fields. In case of magnetic fields also, two types are there. Those are static magnetic fields or time invariant magnetic fields or time independent magnetic fields. Another one is time invariant magnetic fields, time variant magnetic fields or time dependent magnetic fields. So then what are these fields? Static fields are nothing but the field intensity is constant with respect to time in both magnitude and direction at every point in that field. That means the static electric field means the electric field or intensity is constant at every instant of time or at every point of electric field. That is called static electric field. But the time variant electric field means the electric field or electric field intensity is varied with respect to time from point to point of a electric field. That is called time variant electric field or time dependent electric field. Then static magnetic field means the magnetic field or magnetic field intensity is constant at any point in a magnetic field. But time varying magnetic field means the magnetic field or magnetic field intensity is not constant, which is varied with respect to time at every point in a magnetic field. That means here how to define this time varying magnetic fields means the magnitude and direction of the magnitude and direction of fields are change with respect to time. The magnitude and direction of fields are changed with respect to time, then the fields are called time varying fields. So here Time varying fields are time varying electric field and time varying magnetic field. Time varying fields are two types. Those are time varying electric field and time varying magnetic fields in our electrical engineering. So now one more thing is here. The very important statement now we will tell, that is the time varying electric field can produced by time varying magnetic field. As well as the time varying magnetic field can produced by time varying currents or time varying electric fields. What is the meaning of this statement? If we can consider a transformer, if we can observe, if we can supply alternating voltage for the primary winding of a transformer, alternating magnetic flux is produced. Because of alternating voltage is a variable magnitude and direction with respect to time. That's why that is time varying voltage, which can produce a time varying electric field. That electric field can produce a time varying magnetic field. But if that time varying magnetic field links with the coil, EMF can induce it across that coil. The EMF can produce a electric field. That means the time varying electric field is produced by the time varying magnetic field. That is the meaning of this statement. But here, at first, the time varying fields are introduced by Michael Faraday. After these are introduced and explained by James Clerk Maxwell. So at first the time varying fields are introduced by Michael Faraday. After these are extended and clearly explained by James Clerk Maxwell.